Hello. We are on the last day of the 12 Days of Christmas special. Thank you so much for joining us. Open December 24th. That is today. It's Christmas Eve. Let's find out what book we get to read. Can we get it? Yay! How does Santa go down the chimney? By Barnett, illustrated by Jon Klassen. How's Santa going to get down that chimney? Oh, the library gave us a Christmas card. That's wonderful. Let's find out. How does Santa go down the chimney? How does he do it? How does it work? Does he cinch up his belt really tight? Or shrink himself down to the size of a mouse? Teeny tiny Santa will hop down that chimney. Or stretch out like taffy and step in one leg at a time? Do you think Santa has stretchy legs? Maybe Santa can turn into fire, but probably not. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Does he go head first or feet first? Or neither? He's squishing down in a ball. Looks like Santa's pants are falling down. Does Santa ever get stuck partway down and need one of the reindeer to give him a kick? Get down that chimney, Santa. Does his suit really get sooty? Because chimneys have soot. And then, does Santa do laundry before he goes to the next house? He would not have time to do that. Washing his clothes every time he goes down the chimney. And if you don't have a chimney, what happens then? Maybe Santa knows about the key under the flower pot, even though nobody is ever supposed to mention the key under the flower pot. So how would he find out about that? Does he flatten himself and slide under your door? What do you guys think?
No.
No? Or does he slip through the pipes and come out of your faucet?
No.
These are such silly ideas. If you've got a mail slot, I bet Santa folds up like a letter and has a reindeer pop him through. And I bet the stamp on Santa is one of those Santa stamps too. Santa squished into an envelope with a Santa stamp. Maybe that's how he gets in. Dogs must like Santa very much, or else they'd bark. He probably carries treats in his pocket and knows just where every dog likes to be scratched. Aw, that puppy gets a treat. That one's getting another treat. Those are some good puppy scratches. He tells them they're good and whispers their names, which he knows without even looking at their collars. I bet he lets them give him kisses right on his beard. And if they're the kind of dogs that like to lick. Can Santa see in the dark? Does he wear night vision goggles that make everything green? I bet he'd like that because Santa likes green. Or heat vision goggles because he might like red better. Should we leave out carrots, not cookies, on Christmas Eve since they're good for his eyesight? We leave carrots. Who do we leave carrots for?
The reindeer.
Yes.
And the cookies for Santa.
The cookies for Santa. No, the twinkling lights on the tree will make enough light for Santa to see, tiptoeing past chairs without bumping his knee, to leave a present or 2 or 3 and get a kiss from the dog, if it's a dog that licks, and take a cookie or 2 or 3 and then leave. Here's the cookie. Santa goes up the chimney the same way he comes down. And I have no idea how Santa does that. But I'm so glad he can. Ho, ho, ho!
Here I go!
Ho, ho! Merry Christmas! So somehow Santa gets to give us our presents under the tree. Tonight! He's coming tonight. And I like that reindeer has hot chocolate. Thank you so much for reading. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas together.